Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and log in or sign in into your Walgreens account from your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open App Store or Play Store depending on the device you are on and search for Walgreens just like that. Once you've done that, you're going to be on this page right over here. Click on this application, download and install it onto your device, and now click on open. Now, once you do that, you're going to be on this page right over here. And in order to sign in, all you need to do is just on the top right, there is going to be an account or this person icon. Simply tap on him and simply click on sign in and enter your password and your email right over here and click on sign in. That is about it, and you'll be logged in into your account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.